Now, to this time we will solve some numericals based on the Coulomb force. First of all, we will see some simple questions read from the NCERT, and after that we will go to some typical questions from this topic, Coulomb's force. Here, 4 questions are given, and out of these 4, we will solve one by one every question. The first numerical is what is the force of repulsion between the two charge of 1 coulomb each. That is given 2 charge. That means we use the formula for the 2 charge, that is the electrostatic force between 2 charges is given as that is the F is equal to, for the numerical we will write the 9 into 10 to the power 9, here it is 9 into 10 power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Now this is the formula which we use to solve each of the problems. Here, what is the force of repulsion between the 2 charge value is given 1 coulomb each, and each placed 1 meter apart. So on that case, it is very simple one, simplest for numerical or problem. On that case, Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 1 coulomb, and the distance apart R is given 1 meter. So on that we will write that force is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, and in place of this 1 square by 1 square. So both are in the SI unit. On that case we will write the Newton, and the value is the 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. That is the solution, that is the force experienced by either of the charge. So for the first problem, what is the force of repulsion between the 2 charges of 1 coulomb each placed 1 meter apart. Now in the second one, now see the second problem, second numerical, and that is from the NCERT book. This is what is the force between the 2 small charged sphere having the charges given the value of the charge is 2 into 10. Again here the 2 small means we will write here the formula again. F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. So here 9 into 10 to the power 9, and in place of Q1 Q2 we have the value. In place of Q1 is given is the 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and Q2 is given, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So distance is also, that is 30 centimeter. R is equal to 30 centimeter. So here coulomb in SI and centimeter that given in the CGS. So we first convert this one in 1 unit, either in the SI or in the CGS. So we change this one in the SI. So R is equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now we place all the value here. Whatever the value in this particular given, these are the givens. So the value of this force become the 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here Q1 into 2 into 10 power minus 7 into 3 into 10 power minus 7 by, here it is 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Now here it is the minus 14, and this will give the value of F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here it is thus into 6 into 10 to the power minus 14. That is, and in this particular it is the 900 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 2 value of the decimal will reduce. Here it is the value of minus. Now 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 14, and that divided by the 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 9 and 9 cancel. Here it is 2 again. From this we will cancel out. So we have the minus 3, that is the F force is equal to that we calculate this one 6 into 10 to the power minus 3, and that much is the Newton. Again, it is the simple form numerical that is based on the Coulomb relation, Coulomb force or electrostatic force. That value is the 9 into 10 power minus 9, 9 q1 q2 by r square. On that particular, we just substituted the value of each, and first of all we change the CGS into SI and then make it in the one unit to solve, and then we will calculate the value. Now the third problem is what is the electrostatic force between the two minimum charges placed 1 meter apart in air. Again the same way, but the question is what? Two minimum charges. What is the minimum charges? That is the charge of an electron, or we can say that the value is the 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Minimum charges. There the word is given. The two minimum charges. Minimum means the value is of the basic, that basic value is the charge, that is Q, and another Q1, Q2, that equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the minimum value of the charge. And for that, distance of is what? Again, r is equal to 1 meter apart. So again, we can calculate by the very simple formula, that is force between the two charges, and that is the 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, here it is 1.6. Again it is 1.6 into 10 power minus 90. That means this will become the 10 to the power minus 90 to 10 to the power minus 90. That becomes the 10 to the power minus 38. And in place of this 1 meter, that is the 1 square. And that much is the Newton force. So on that case, now solve this one. We have force F is equal to. Now in place of this, we will write 31. So it is the 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into, here it is the 10 to the power minus 31. That much is the Newton. Now just solve this one. We have the relation F force is equal to 9 into, just get the multiplication of 16 into 16, that is 2.56 into, here it is the 10 to the power minus 31 Newton. Now 2 place, that will reduce. On that case, this becomes the 2 minus 31. Just make the value of this, make a product. You have the value 2.304 into 10 to the power, and that is the minus 28 Newton. Whenever you make the product, you get the total force of this much. So what we come to know in this particular, that is the minimum charge. We are talking about the minimum charge, and that minimum charge is the 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So 3 numericals we have seen, and out of these 3, all the 3 have the same formula to solve, and that is the Coulomb relation, Coulomb force. Now the fourth one is the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to the another small sphere of charge such and such. That 2 charge is given, Q1 is equal to 0.4 microcoulomb and Q2 is given, that is equal to minus 0.8, that much microcoulomb. Now That is, the force is also given here, that F is equal to 0.2 Newton. So, at that question is, what is the distance between the two spheres? So, on that case, the electrostatic force is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here Q1, Q2 by R square. Or, to find out the first problem, that is the A, that is the distance. What is the distance? For distance, that R, for distance, that R is equal to, R square is equal to, that is the 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1, Q2 by, in place of R, that become the force. Now just put the value, whatever the value here, just you substitute the value in this relation. So we have 9 into 10 to the power 9, and about this, that is the 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into again 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by, that is, force is the 0.2 Newton. And that much is the, now it is square, given in the square, so we take the square root of this particular and just cancel it. Here it will cancel by the 4. So we have the relation R is equal to, that is 9 into 1.6, 4 into 4, that becomes the 16. Point is here, so 1.4, 1.6 here into 10 to the power 9 here, and 10 to the power minus 6, that is the minus 12. So minus 12, and in place 3 is reduced, so that becomes the 10 to the power minus 3. This much, and this is minus 3 here, and half root. Now R become the 3, and that is the square root of the 4 point, which will move here. So on that case it is the 9 into 16 into 10 to the power minus 4 half, and this become the 3 and 4 we take out from the root, and for the 10 to the power minus 2 it is the minus 2. So that becomes the relation R is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, or we may write it is 0.12 meter. That much is the distance we have calculated. Now, distance, the second question with this particular, what is the force on the second sphere? We know that the force, we know that the two sphere, one, whatever the force experienced by the second due to the first, and the force experienced by the first due to the second, both are equal and opposite. F21, that is equal by magnitude and opposite by the direction, that is the 1, 2. On that case, if we see the force of this one, first force is given, that is the 0.2 Newton. That means B, the answer of the B is the, according to vector representation, either of the force are equal and opposite. Either of the forces are equal and opposite. So on that particular, we will write this one here. F12 is equal to 0.2 Newton. So on that case, F21, that is equal to minus of the F12, and this one minus that the opposite direction 0.2 Newton. So we write here 0.2 Newton in opposite direction. Or you may write F21 vector is equal to minus of the 0.2 Newton. That means Here is the equal and opposite force. Whatever the force experienced by the one, the similar force, equal force experienced by the another also due to the first. So these four are simple problems related with the Coulomb force. Now gradually the next question that we see the some more typical one. Now see the question number 5, that is the four charges are at the vertex of the square. It is the square, and at each vertex there is the four charges. At the A point, B vertex, C vertex and D vertex. At each vertex, at A it is the 2 microcoulomb, at B it is the minus 5 microcoulomb, at C it is the 2 microcoulomb, again at D is the minus 5 microcoulomb. Now, how we solve this one? Question is, what is the force at the center? Center is here at O. What is the force at the center of the diagonal having the charge of 1 microcoulomb? That relation, that force we have to calculate at the center of the diagonal. So, and one more thing is given. Each of the side of the square is 10 centimeter. Here also 10 centimeter. Here also 10 centimeter. Here also 10 centimeter. Everywhere. Square have the side of 10 centimeter. So we first calculate. We see this one. Whenever we solve this one, we have, let's suppose this is the square and there is the diagonal. At the center 1 microcoulomb charge is here, and at the vertices A, B, C and D. Now here it is the 2 microcoulomb minus 5 microcoulomb, again it is the 2 microcoulomb, and here it is the minus 5 microcoulomb. We understand here only the two like charges here. That means there is the repulsion, and that repulsion offered to the 1 microcoulomb due to the 2 microcoulomb. So we write here that is the force experienced by the charge at the center O due to the charge at the center at a point, vertex A point. Similarly, if we see the C point, again here is the like charges. So again it is the repulsion. There is the repulsion, and that repulsion is the force due to the on the charge at center of the diagonal and due to the charge at the vertex of the square, that is the C, this in the direction. Either of the force are opposite in direction. Whatever the magnitude, that we will calculate. But here, due to the like charges, each character shows the opposite direction. Now here it is the negative, and this one is the positive, 1 microcoulomb. So there is the attraction between this charge 1 microcoulomb to the charge of minus 5 microcoulomb, and here is the force 0 B in this direction. In what direction? There is the attraction. Here in these two there is the repulsion. Now here also the minus 5 for the 1 microcoulomb, it will again attract, and the force we consider here is the force due to the on the charge 1 at O to the D, that is the force. So what we observe, these two are again in the opposite direction. We write here that FOC and FOA are in opposite direction. Also, here also we have FOB and FOD are in opposite direction. So if you calculate this, the value, magnitude of this, let's suppose both have the 2 microcoulomb at A also, at C also. So we will calculate the magnitude value of the force FOA, that is equal to how much it is? 9 into 10 to the power 9 Now 2 microcoulomb and 1. That means here it is the minus 12. 6 here and 6 here. By now we have a distance. A distance of what here? That is the AO. AO whole square. Now we calculate the AO here. So for that, each side is given 10 centimeter. Here also the 10 centimeter. Here also the 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Now first of all calculate the diagonal. Let it be the BD, and BD is equal to root under of tan square plus tan square. It will give the 2 tan root 2, and this is in the centimeter. Now half of the diagonal, since it is a square, so each half of the diagonal here are equal. We can write that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Here it is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD, and make it the half, that is the tan root 2 by 2. So that much is the centimeter. So we will write here in place of AO or OA, AO that is equal to 5 root 2. Centimeter, in meter it becomes the 10 to the power minus 2. That much is the meter. Now put it here. So F0A that become 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 12, and in place of this we will write 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. So that becomes the 50 and 10 to the power minus 4. So FOA that is equal to now 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 12 by, here it is 50 into 10 to the power minus 4. Minus 4 that becomes the minus 8. Here it is the 10. Also on that case 10 we will cancel from this. So we have the relation FOA that is equal to, that much is the here 2, that is equal to 2 is carried out, then it is the 18 by 5, that much Newton, or we may write 3.6 Newton. So the value of this FOA that is by the magnitude, we will calculate this in the magnitude, sorry, just make this one. The magnitude is the 3.6 Newton. Now the same value we will find for the FOC. So FOA is equal to FOC, but in the opposite direction as written in the above. So that is equal to by magnitude 3.6 Newton. And the direction is opposite for FOC and FOA. So the value will be the one has the 3.6, another has the minus 3.6. So FOA that is equal to 3.6 and all FOC that is equal to minus 3.6 Newton here also, Newton here. Similarly, we will calculate the relation for FOB. So FOB, see the relation and the magnitude of this. Magnitude of this here FOB that again here in this two relation, that is the 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 by 12 from here, micro here also, micro here also. So 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6, that becomes the 10 to the power minus 12, and here 50 as the distance of the diagonals are, half of the diagonals are all everywhere is the same. So on that case 50 into 10 to the power minus 2. Sorry, here it is the 10 to the power minus 4. So we again calculate this one. So on that case we find 5 cancel out. So that becomes the 9 Newton. You just calculate this one, that becomes the minus 8. Here it is the 10 and 50 cancel out, so we have the 9 Newton only. The same way we will write FOB is equal to minus here. So negative just be written here by the magnitude FOD. OD by the magnitude both have the same value of 9 Newton. Or we may write as FOB is equal to 9 Newton and FOD that is equal to minus 9 Newton. The direction is opposite. And according to the principle of superposition, at the point where the charge is 1 microcoulomb. So according to the principle of superposition, the net force at O on 1 microcoulomb is that force F is equal to by the vector. Now with the direction we will write F, here it is the FOA plus FOB plus FOC plus FOD. So whenever we put the value of this with the sign, their sign also, we will get the 0 or the net force is equal to null force or 0. No force is acting at the center of the square. But how we will calculate, what are the important things to be know, that we come to know here. Now in the next session few more questions we will take, and that is the more typical to solve. Is it clear? In the next session. Okay.